In this video, I'll show you how to change a property member's status in tawk.to. Each property member can either be an admin or an agent, and each role comes with different permissions. Admins have full access to the dashboard. They can manage settings, add or remove members, and control all aspects of the property. Agents, on the other hand, can respond to chats and tickets, view reporting, create and edit knowledge base articles, and use shortcuts. They can see other members, but they don't have permission to add new ones or change member-related settings. Agents also don't have access to add-ons. Now, if you ever need to change a member's role or update their status, here's how. First, log into your tawk.to account and select the property you want to manage. Make sure you've chosen the right one by hovering over the property name in the dashboard. Once you're in the correct property, click the gear icon at the top to open the administration panel. Next, under User Management, click Property Members. You'll see a list of everyone who belongs to that property. Find the member you want to edit and click on their name to open their profile settings. From here, you can update their role or adjust their access. When you're finished, click Save and the changes will take effect immediately. Keep in mind that only active agents can answer chats. If a member's status is disabled, they won't be able to respond to visitors, but they can still log in and view the dashboard. By managing property members this way, you'll ensure everyone on your team has the right permissions and responsibilities, keeping your support running smoothly. For more tutorials, visit the tawk.to Academy or book a call with our customer support team.